Struggling to put on weight and build muscle, no matter how much you eat? You're not alone. Many people face this challenge, but the solution isn't just about eating more. It's about eating smarter. The right foods can make all the difference by providing the nutrients your body needs to fuel muscle growth and pack on healthy weight without adding unnecessary fat. In today's video, we'll reveal 5 powerful foods that are perfect for anyone looking to gain weight and build muscle quickly. Plus, we'll share simple tips on how to incorporate these nutrient-dense options into your daily meals for maximum results. Stick around and take the first step toward achieving your fitness and weight goals today. Nutrition is the foundation of successful weight and muscle gain. To achieve your goals, you need to consume more calories than you burn, a concept known as a caloric surplus. However, not all calories are created equal. To build muscle and maintain energy, those extra calories must come from nutrient-rich, calorie-dense foods that fuel your body effectively. This ensures that the weight you gain is healthy and supports your fitness goals rather than simply adding fat. Macronutrients, protein, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates play a critical role in this process. Protein is the building block of muscle, helping to repair and grow muscle tissue after workouts. Healthy fats provide a concentrated source of calories and long-lasting energy, while complex carbs supply the fuel your body needs to power through intense training sessions. Together, these macronutrients create the ideal environment for muscle growth and healthy weight gain. So, what are the best foods to help you achieve your goals quickly and effectively? The right choices can make all the difference. Keep watching as we dive into 5 powerful foods that will help you gain weight, build muscle, and reach your fitness goals faster than you ever thought possible. Eggs are a powerhouse food for anyone looking to gain weight and build muscle. Packed with high-quality protein and healthy fats, they provide the essential nutrients needed to repair and grow muscle tissue. Each egg contains around 6 grams of protein and a wealth of amino acids, including leucine, which plays a vital role in protein synthesis and muscle building. Additionally, eggs are rich in vitamins like B12, which supports energy production, and choline, which aids in overall muscle function. Incorporating eggs into your diet is simple and versatile. For breakfast, scramble eggs with vegetables for a nutrient-packed meal. Hard-boil eggs for a convenient snack, or add them to salads for a protein boost. You can even include eggs in baked dishes or omelets with cheese for additional calories and flavor. With their affordability and versatility, eggs are a must-have for muscle growth and weight gain. Rice is an excellent source of calorie-dense carbohydrates, making it ideal for gaining weight and fueling workouts. Unlike simple carbs, rice provides long-lasting energy, which is essential for intense training sessions and muscle recovery. A single cup of cooked rice contains over 200 calories and is easily paired with proteins to create balanced, muscle-building meals. The best way to include rice in your diet is by pairing it with lean meats like chicken or beef for a hearty, protein-rich dish. Stir-fry rice with vegetables and tofu for a nutrient-packed meal, or use it as a base for burritos and wraps. You can also try brown rice for added fiber and nutrients or jasmine rice for a faster digesting option. Whether as a side dish or the main ingredient, rice is a versatile and effective way to boost your calorie intake. Nuts and nut butters are calorie-dense and nutrient-packed, making them perfect for quick weight gain and muscle support. A small handful of nuts, such as almonds or cashews, provides a mix of healthy fats, protein, and fiber, all in a compact serving. These healthy fats supply concentrated calories to help you maintain a caloric surplus, while the protein supports muscle repair and growth. To incorporate nuts into your diet, enjoy a handful as a snack, or mix them into oatmeal or yogurt for added texture and flavor. Nut butters, such as almond or peanut butter, are great for spreading on toast, blending into smoothies, or adding to protein shakes. Be sure to choose natural varieties without added sugars or oils for maximum health benefits. With their convenience and versatility, nuts and nut butters are an excellent choice for gaining weight and building muscle. Lean meats like chicken, beef, and turkey are staples for muscle building and weight gain. High in protein and essential nutrients such as iron and zinc, these meats provide the building blocks your muscles need to repair and grow after workouts. A 3-ounce serving of chicken breast, for example, delivers around 26 grams of protein with minimal fat, making it a lean, calorie-dense option for muscle support. Grilled chicken is a versatile option for meals, whether served with rice, roasted vegetables, or in high-protein wraps. Ground beef can be added to pasta dishes or tacos for a flavorful boost, while turkey can be used for burgers or stir-fries. Including lean meats in your diet ensures you're meeting your protein needs while maintaining a balanced intake of calories and nutrients. Full-fat dairy, such as whole milk, yogurt, and cheese, combines protein and healthy fats to support muscle growth and weight gain. Dairy products are also rich in calcium, which strengthens bones and supports overall body function, ensuring your weight gain is healthy and sustainable. A single cup of whole milk contains around 8 grams of protein and 150 calories, making it an easy way to add both nutrients and calories to your diet. Incorporate full-fat dairy into your meals by drinking milk with snacks or meals, adding yogurt to smoothies, or using cheese as a topping for dishes like pasta or salads. Opt for Greek yogurt for a higher protein content, or enjoy cottage cheese as a filling muscle-building snack. Full-fat dairy products are versatile and delicious, making them a convenient addition to any weight gain plan. By including eggs, rice, nuts, and nut butters, lean meats, and full-fat dairy in your diet, you can create a balanced, calorie-dense meal plan that supports muscle growth and weight gain. These foods are not only nutritious, but also versatile and easy to incorporate into your daily routine, ensuring consistent progress toward your fitness goals. In addition to incorporating the right foods into your diet, there are key strategies that can help you achieve your weight and muscle gain goals more effectively. Start by eating more frequent meals and snacks throughout the day. Instead of sticking to 3 large meals, aim for 5 to 6 smaller meals, ensuring your body consistently receives the calories and nutrients it needs to grow and recover. Include calorie-dense options in your snacks, like nuts, yogurt, or protein shakes, to boost your intake without feeling overly full. Strength training is essential to ensure that the weight you gain is primarily muscle, not fat. Focus on compound exercises like squats, deadlifts, and bench presses, which target multiple muscle groups and maximize growth. Pair your workouts with proper nutrition to support recovery and muscle repair. Consistency is key. Stick with calorie-dense, nutrient-rich foods and monitor your progress regularly. Keep track of your weight, muscle measurements, and strength gains to make sure you're moving in the right direction. Gaining weight and muscle takes time and dedication, but with the right approach, you'll start to see results. Stay committed, trust the process, and celebrate the small victories along the way to keep yourself motivated. What foods have worked best for you in gaining weight and building muscle? Let us know in the comments below. Your experience could inspire and help others on their journey. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips on achieving your fitness and health goals. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll reveal the best supplements to support muscle growth and maximize your gains. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Building muscle and gaining weight doesn't have to be complicated. With the right foods, a solid plan, and consistency, you'll be on your way to reaching your goals and transforming your fitness journey. Small, consistent steps can lead to big results over time. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to check out our other videos for more tips on fitness and nutrition to keep you motivated and on track. Take care, and we'll see you next time.